Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centrefix, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Tesla stock rose 3.2% to close at $329.65 last Friday, driven by investor optimism following the U.S. imposing steep tariffs on Chinese graphite, a key electric vehicle battery material. Last week, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.6% and 1.5%, respectively, each reaching fresh all-time highs, while the Dow Jones slipped 0.3%. WTI crude oil futures traded above $67 per barrel on Monday, after its first weekly decline this month, as the European Union's new sanctions against Russia raised concerns about oil supplies. The euro fell to around $1.16, the lowest level in about a month, pressured by a modest rebound in the US dollar. Bitcoin traded at around $117,500 this Monday, increasing by 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin gained 16%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 p.m., Canada to release the producer price inflation for June, following -0.5% in May. At 12:30 p.m., the raw materials prices in Canada are expected to increase, after reaching -0.4% in May. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the producer price inflation of June, following -0.4% in May. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 2 p.m., the U.S. to release the Richmond Manufacturing Index for July, following -7 in June. At 8:30 p.m., the crude oil stock change in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 19 million barrels in the week ending July 11th. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the Consumer Confidence Index of July, following 108.7 in June.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrefix. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.